Hi guys, it's fatpetrolhead here, and today we are gonna discuss 2-liter gasoline engine made by Hyundai and Kia. This engine is well known for being extremely unreliable. However, as always on this channel, let's try to figure out how bad is it in reality and should you buy a car with such an engine. The engine was firstly presented in 2004, however most problems people experienced with the second generation of this engine, which was in production starting from 2009. And this second generation of 2-liter engine was extremely popular and widespread. It was installed in almost any model of Hyundai Kia till nowadays. SUVs, saloon cars, everything was with this engine installed in basic trims. And there were problems from the start of the engine production, to be honest. Of course, as always, we need some time to understand whether this engine was defected from the factory or otherwise it can be just small cases, small issues with some owners. And to be honest, it took some time, because only in 2017 Kia and Hyundai accepted that yes, the engine is defected from the factory and started a recall campaign. After some legal proceedings in the US and in Canada, Hyundai and Kia extended the warranty for these engines up to 120,000 miles or 10 years, and also agreed to make a compensation for those who had to repair these engines. But what was the problem with the engine itself? So first of all, it started to burn some oil from being new. And when owners, fully following the manufacturer's recommendations, changed engine oil like every 10,000 miles, of course, there were lack of engine oil sometimes. And when you have a lack of oil inside the engine just starts to ruin itself. Usually on these engines, first scratches inside cylinders you could find on the mileage about 30-40,000 kilometers only. And that means that on the mileage of 60-80,000, the engine would be just ruined. But if Kia and Hyundai agreed that these engines had a problem, they replaced most of them. Also, they compensated some rebuilds. Should you buy a car with this engine from this period of years, 2010 till 2019? And should you buy a new car with 2-liter engine? And here I can say, based on my experience, because I used to sell pre-owned cars and sold about 300 of them. Not only Hyundai and Kia, of course, but I saw a lot of them with some problems and without any problems. So, most of times, the change of the engine by warranty by car manufacturer helped a lot, and there were no serious problems. I saw these cars with a mileage around 250,000 kilometers with replaced engine on approximately 80,000, and there were no problems with these cars. They were worn out, maybe with some noises from engine. It wasn't ideal, but still, it worked okay. As for rebuilt engines, it is a subject to discuss, because some of them really were rebuilt properly. However, most of them were rebuilt because they were out of the warranty and they were made just in the cheapest way, as cheap as it is possible, just to sell this car. And of course, such options you should avoid at all costs. But even if we consider the situation when the engine was replaced by car manufacturer, still, as I see it, it wasn't as reliable as, I don't know, Toyota or Honda engines. But talking about used car markets, when these cars are already 5 years old, and yes, they are cheaper than, for example, Toyota or Honda. I don't compare it with German cars or something like that. Let's say that they were competitors when they were new. Yes, you can save $1,000 or $2,000 buying Hyundai or Kia with 2-liter engine. But for this economy of 1 or 2 grand, you get an unpredictable engine in your car, and you are always under the risk. I don't think, to be honest, that this is a smart move. Talking about modern cars with 2-liter engine, and after 2019, when this engine was fully re-engineered, let's say like that, they are better, much better. they usually don't have any problems until the mileage, at least on the mileage less than 100,000 kilometers. But still, I cannot say that it is somewhere near Toyota reliability. As an owner, you always can prolong the lifespan of your engine just changing engine oil more frequent. However, talking about basic models of Hyundai and Kia with 2-liter engine, obviously this is not cars for car enthusiasts. And they are not gonna really spend a lot of time in service, and they will follow manufacturers' recommendations. And that is why I wouldn't consider buying used cars starting from 2019. If you are buying a new car, then compare all conditions, price difference and all that. Also warranty condition, and make your own choice. But if you are looking for a quite new but used car, then I would go for something more reliable or something more exciting, because if you have to change engine oil very frequent, then go for a good German car. Why not? So, answering a question, should you buy a Hyundai or Kia car with 2-liter engine, used car? My answer is no. And what do you think? Please write in comments if you have a car with this engine especially. It would be interesting to read your comment. Press the like button if you enjoy watching this video and subscribe for more. Thank you and see you soon. Alright, now if you click one of these two videos, I hope you will enjoy them as well.